Hey, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be removing the gimbal protector. Apparently I think it has some interference. It doesn't seem to, we're gonna see before and after, because for some reason I feel like I'm losing satellites, and this isn't my first time flying the Avata. I usually get to 25 satellites, unless it's because it's a Memorial Day weekend, and you know, satellites are on vacation. The good thing is that, you know, I have extra thread locker, so I have no trouble removing these and adding some more thread locker to the screws. But I'm not happy with the experience, because, you know, one thing you want to do is protect your investment, but if you don't have satellites, what good is the prop if it, if it's going to cause you to wreck your drone? So we're going to take these off, put the original screws back in, and see what kind of satellite experience we have. And the good thing is that I got the gimbal protector on Amazon. Amazon's really good with returns, as long as you're returning it within that window. And sometimes they'll say, hey, don't return it, keep it. In this case, even if they said keep it, it's going to wind up on a shelf, because I want those full satellites. You want them wherever you are, and there's no reason why, if I'm 200 feet up in the sky, not that you ever really are with the Avata, you never know depending on where you're flying, you have 12, 9 satellites, right? You want to make sure it's really snug, like just, tight, not so tight that you can't get it off, but just tight enough so that the vibrations don't cause it to become loose. Tricky putting it back in. I should be doing this on a table, for the sake of the screws just falling. I'm going to unscrew these and then apply more thread locker to it so that they don't become loose on vibration. Otherwise you'll have to check them every now and again. And now, like always, actually, I'll put this back in because I think this might be going back to Amazon. But we won't know. We will know in a second. All right, so we have everything back to factory default. We started up the drone, and as you can see, we got 17 to 18 satellites. Right now 16, which is all right, but it's better than it started off with before. And of course there could be some interference from behind me, but what we really want is the full experience of the drone. All right, so let's see what we have here. We're going to start up the propellers and let it go up. All right, let's see what we got. It's recording. Oh, breaking. There we go. Alright, so we're at 16, 17 satellites. We'll just leave it here in the middle and see what happens. 19, look at that. We didn't even get 19 before. Let's just spin it around. Let's take the thing up into the sky. Sky is the limit. Let's see, going up. And let it go up, 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 up. Look at that, 19. We didn't even get 19 when we got here before. Just be careful, watch the tree line. Look at that, 20. So I was here earlier, same drone, just with the gimbal guard, and I couldn't even get 20. I think it was super low. All right, so we know that the gimbal protector is a no-go, because we want to protect our investment. Where is home? Oh, there it is. We thought we lost home for a second. So home is behind me. So if I spin the drone around, and it's right there. So I should go up and then come in at a little bit of an angle. See right there? But look at that. We're at 20 satellites. I've gotten 25 to 30 before, but that's fine. It's better, definitely better than what it was. All right, so here we are. So I hope this video helped you in making a choice and right decision for a gimbal guard on your DJI Avata. And if you have any ideas or suggestions for other videos, feel free to leave them down below, or even your comments. And I'll see you all next time.